closely, every nut and bolt fits perfectly into place. These small, precise movements have a calming effect on the mind. Each step of the repair is a moment of focus and patience. When everything aligns just right, there's a deep sense of satisfaction. The sound of tools, the tightening of every bolt, brings a quiet sense of peace. So relax, take a deep breath, and enjoy this smooth, satisfying process. Let your mind unwind. Poach.